Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next concept that is nothing but proximity measures of nominal attributes. Guys, I think there will be around 6 topics, guys. I'll be discussing each and every topic in each and every lecture, okay? Yes. So in this lecture, we are going to calculate the proximity of nominal attributes or categorical. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing for scaled values. So in that way, so each and every lecture, I'll be dividing each and every topic, okay? Yes. Okay. So let us start. Okay, so basically your first question will be, so what are these categorical attributes, right, or nominal attributes? So if you recall, we have already discussed about them, guys. Got it? Yes. So based on the data set which they gave, so most of the time they will be intimating you which are nominal attributes, guys. Okay, so anyway, if you want to just revise the definition of nominal attributes, I am interested in showing it also, guys, because you should have a clarity, right? Yes. Okay, so nominal attributes. So related to the name, each value represents some kind of category or code or state, also referred as categorical attributes, like hair color, black, blonde, brown, gray, red, white, like that. So basically, it is going to nominal attributes are going to say about some property of something, right? Yes. So here we assume that this is the code, question paper code which they got. So basically assume that there are 3 different question paper codes, and these guys, 4 people got three codes, right? So A, B, C, and the 4th guy again got A. Okay, so now our goal is to check the similarities between these things. Okay, so your first question will be, so okay, so now we got some idea about the nominal attributes and the question. So is there any formula to solve it? The answer is yes. So there is a simple formula. Dissimilarity is equals to dissimilarity of I comma j is equals to P minus M by P. Your first question will be, so what is this P and what is this M? So M is nothing but number of matches. Okay, so how many number of matches have been occurred? Okay, similarly, what is a P? P is nothing but number of attributes. Okay, so for this question, how many number of attributes we are having, guys? 1, right? So we are having only a single attribute which is nominal. So the value of number of attributes P is fixed to 1 for this question, right? So your question will be, so okay, so how will the 2 attributes question looks like, right? Yes, so that is the reason why I have brought that type of question also. Okay, so if you observe here, so here we are talking about 2 favorite colors. So Jack is having 2 favorite colors, one is red and one is green. So in this way, here we are having 2 values. So here P is a 2. Got it? I'll be discussing about this example also, don't worry. So let us first go through a simple one, right? Yes. So now you got the idea like why P is a 1. Okay, now let us start. So the formula is a P minus M by P, right? Yes. So let me take a piece of paper or a book so that we can solve it. Right. Yes. So if you recall, here we are having 4 values, right? Yes. So now let us start drawing the dissimilarity matrix. Guys, it is your wish how you draw the dissimilarity matrix, but I always think that this method is better. Okay, so write the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically your object IDs, and now start making their pairs 1, 1. So always avoid the upper triangle, guys, because we don't need to calculate them. Okay, so 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, similarly continuing 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2. Sorry, 3, 1. Okay, 4, 1. I'm just writing the pairs which are correlated for this point, guys. So 3, 2 is this point. 4, 2 is this point. Okay, 4, 3 is this point, right? Yes. So now my goal is to calculate the dissimilarity matrix. I'm calculating. So we are having the formula for dissimilarity matrix is nothing but, okay, so is nothing but P minus M by P, right? Yes. So where P is the 1 fixed in this problem, right? Yes, as we are having only a single attribute, that is nothing but your question paper code. I'm giving you as an example. Okay. Yes. So your first question will be, so I told that dissimilarity of similar things will always be 0, right? Yes, you are correct. So you can directly update this matrix into 0, 0, 0, 0. So the diagonal is 0 and you don't need to calculate the upper values. Got it? Yes. So you are now already done with the 4 values. So you are left out with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now you will be calculating these 6 values. So basically dissimilarity of 2, 1. So basically what is the code of 2, guys? It is B. What is the code of 1? That is A. Okay. So B and A. So now you will be checking whether these 2 are same or not. Are they same? The answer is no. Hence your M value is equals to 0. 1 by 1. Okay, sorry, just give me a second. Yes. So 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Similarly do for the next one also. So 3, 1. Okay. So what is a 3? it is a C, and what is a 1A? So CA, okay? So this is a C and this is A. So are they similar? No, again it is, sorry, are they similar? No, it is again 0. So again we got 1, okay? Similarly, D of a 4, 1. So now observe. So what is a 4? It is a, the code of 4, A. So what is the code of A? Sorry, 1, it is A. So for both of them, it is a 1, guys, now. Sorry, A, guys. So in this situation, 1 minus 1. So here there is a match, right? Yes. So in this situation, we will be getting 0. So in this way, you will be solving it, guys. So 1, 1, 1. So here it is, I did for 3, 2 first. Okay. So 1 we got. 4, 1 is a 0. Okay. Let us continue. So for 4, 2, I got 1. For 4, 3, I got 1. Okay. So once I substituted the values, the matrix looked in this way. Because you can even directly write it, guys. So basically, how many matches are there, guys? So only 4, 1 will match. That's it, right? Yes. So rest all places, you can directly write once. Only in 4, 1 and the self matrix, the diagonal values, you will be writing zeros. That's it. Got it? Yes. So as we all know, we can directly calculate similarity. You can just calculate it. So just to do, complement them in simple words. So basically, wherever zeros you are finding, you place 1. Wherever ones are there, you place 0, right? Yes. So as the values are zeros, 1, this trick will work. So what if the values are not zeros and ones? In that situation, just to use the formula, similarity is equals to 1 minus dissimilarity of I, j. Got it? Yes. So now you are clear with single variable. So your question will be, okay, we got the idea of single variable. So previously you told there could be 2 variables also. So how will be the situation? Okay, so now let us go through 2 variables, guys. Okay, so here the value of P is a 2. Here we are having red and green, red and yellow, blue and blue. Got it? Yes. So now let us start. So basically here we are having the matrix J, M and J, right? Yes. So if you write them J, M, J, so you'll be getting a Jack and Mary here. Sorry, Jack and Jack here. Okay. So then you'll be having Mary and Mary here. Okay. Jim and Jim here. Okay. So then you'll be having a Jack, sorry, Mary, okay, so Mary and we'll be having Jack, sorry, Mary and Jack, right? Yes, so the first value will be Mary and Jack. We need to calculate for this. Similarly, we'll be having here, we'll be having Jim and Jack, right? Yes, I'm writing it here, guys. Jim and Jack, sorry, okay, Jim and Jack, anything will work, right? So, okay, similarly, the last here value is Jim and Mary. Okay, so we need to calculate these values, right? Yes, so you already know the formula is P minus M by P, right? So 2 minus something by 2, 2 minus something by 2, 2 minus something by 2. So I need to fill this something. Okay, so first let us start. So in between Mary and Jack, how many values are matching? So Mary and Jack, right? So these two guys. So is a red matching? Yes, so there's one match. Is a green and yellow matching? No, it is only one match. So here it will be 1. So, right? Yes. So here we got a 1 by 2, right? So it is a 0.5. So you'll be updating in the table 0.5 in the matrix, okay? Similarly, continuing Jim and Jack, okay? So Jim and Jack, last and first. So are there any matches? No. Hence it is nothing but 0, which is equals to 2 by 2, that is equals to 1. Got it? Got it? Yes. So just to solve it, guys, if you are getting some confusion or if the paper is not visible, I think it's not visible. So please solve it step by step. You'll understand, okay? Yes. Similarly, Jim and Jack, how many are matching? Jim and Jack, nothing are matching. So again it is 1. Okay, yes. So we got 0.5, 1, 1. So in this way you'll be filling. Similarly, the dissimilarity matrix will look in this. Similarity matrix will look in this. 1, 1, 1, 0.5, 0, 0. This is the similarity matrix. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, let us go through one more proximity measure. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing about the proximity measures of intervalled values. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.